Alright, hey, what's up everyone? I just got a lead from the website for the first time. It does look like it was an SEO lead, so I kind of want to walk you through the recording, show you what it looked like, and see how they interacted with my website. So as you can see here, there is a step 2 right here that they clicked on right afterwards. For 23 seconds, they decided to not fill out all the information. So I just got the step 1 information, which is the property address, phone number, and email. When I was at lunch, it actually texted me, and I was super excited about that. So from Windows on the PC in the United States, let's go ahead and watch the recording. So as you see, as soon as they get in, they see a lead form, but I don't know if I want to fill out the lead form right away. They're scrolling down. I'm not touching my mouse, by the way. This is a recording. So they highlighted, you pay 0 fees or closing costs. Close quickly. Do you notice that? That's what they hovered over. The cash buyer. So maybe they wanted to click on it. They can, but they didn't click on it. So 0 closing costs, quick close. So that's what interested them. Now they're typing in their address. Of course, I'm going to have to blur part of that out there because it is a new lead, so I don't want that information getting out there. And puts in the phone number, auto fills the email, manually type in. Then they go ahead and click submit the lead, and that's the process, and that's the funnel of the website. So far, so good. Awesome. So let's go ahead and go to the step 2 form, see what they do from the step 2. So they're doing their name, filling out more information. Basically, I got the name from the email and from the property record, so that was fine for the introductory call. So they fill out that information. They look down. They're like, oh my God, that's too overwhelming. Forget about that. They go to exit out, and that automatically pops up, which is a robotic chat conversion bot, just to show you what that kind of looks like. So when you're on the website, you're on step 2 or wherever you are in the step process. And then you're like, you know what, that's too much of a process. You go to cancel out, this automatically pops up. So as it automatically pops up, depending on your reception and your speed, it'll say, hi there. I'm here to help. My name is Susan. Are you looking to sell a house? I think I should speed this up because a lot of people just end up closing it out before it properly loads. Maybe get rid of the ombre or something, whatever makes this load faster. I should look into that because nobody really interacts with this and I'm paying for it. So I should try to optimize that. So that is the process so far. Basically, they came to the website. They were curious. They didn't want to do the lead form right away. They wanted to double check what kind of cash buyer I was. And I gave them very clear resolutions right here. So what am I going to do? I'm going to move this up top. This is going to be the new top line. That way I can convert these people when they come to the website much faster. So as you see them scroll back up top, how do I sell my house for cash? Maybe I'll put the realtor thing right here, or directly below this. Maybe I'll put the cash buyer realtor thing just right underneath here, to where when they're on the top of the website, the first thing they see is how to sell to a cash buyer. So this will be kind of like hovering on the bottom when they're on the website on a computer. And they're like, selling to a cash buyer. Oh, you pay 0 closing costs. That will appear right here. So if I move that up, I might see an increase in conversions. That's kind of what you should be doing with Microsoft Clarity heat maps and recordings. Again, I'm pushing it because it's free. If you're following me and you want some information on how to upgrade your website, this is 100% free, clarity.microsoft.com. So thanks for watching. Any questions, drop a comment down below. Otherwise, have a good night.
Are you looking to get into SEO or Google PPC? Maybe you're building your website right now. I've completed 80 hours of heavy-duty research already done for you. Check out my huge list of 17,000 keywords for SEO and PPC. You'll get the best FAQ search phrases, such as who, can, and how search phrases. And the list of 17,000 keywords will be your Bible for site optimization or PPC campaigns. This list took me over 20 hours to compile, and you could download it instantly. Links in the description below. Down below, you'll also find a list of 500 top-ranking real estate websites. This is a Goliath of data. I compiled all 50 states, page 1, top 10 results into one single spreadsheet. You'll find your competitors' page load speed, ranking position, website links, Facebook links, any videos they use, and their backlink profiles. If you want to download any of these spreadsheets, check the links in the description or my pinned comment.